Fundy Designer has helped my business by allowing me to spend more time with my family instead of just sitting behind a computer trying to create a design from scratch. So I'm able to literally just put the photos in, click auto design, and then customize things for my clients from there, instead of having the arduous task of layouts and learning a whole other kind of Photoshop, InDesign. I don't even know what the software is called, but learning that software and having to take all the time to create an album where I can customize it so quickly and easily in Fundy. It's literally just quick clicks. I'm able to throw things into auto design, and then from there I can send a proof over to my clients for them to make changes or approve.